Hello guys, it is me Caleb and today I am going to be talking about nature. So the first nature that pops up in my head is the blue ball tree. And you know the blue ball tree, it's filled up with blue balls. Well, there's two new trees. The first one is the tall tree because, well, you guessed it, it's tall. And when you go under it, it looks really cool if you look up. See that? Whoa, so cool. The next tree is a tree house. Yep, we're building a tree house. So if you haven't seen A Day in the Life of Brandon and Caleb, these are the swings, and this is the tree holding the swings. And this is the tree house on the tree. So I created a little sign for it. That's like a logo thing. And this right here says Brandon and Caleb's hut. And that's going to go somewhere on the tree. This is the ladder that got painted. And you're going to watch me climb. So I'm going to put you right there. So just going to set you up. Hello. So I'm going to climb. Hi. Hi. So I'm up here now. As you can see, treehouse works. Treehouse Comic Sync. That's pretty much what we should call it by the name. But other than that is the tree hut I was talking to you about. And that's how it feels to be up there. So, lifting you guys up. I really want you guys to see the view, but can't take the phone up there. You know what will happen, right? This is not a tree. You've met her before. She is Lani. Hey. Hello. Hello, Lani. So this is Lani. Are you tired? I think she's tired. Well, I'll leave you a bit. You look so... Oh, yep, you're falling asleep. I'm going to leave you to it. Well, that went coolly. So guys, we're just going to hang out in my room. Wait. Okay, no tsunami. So what should we do in here, guys? Guys, I've finally found the thing that I'm going to do. My calendar. If you zoomed in before I am, you would notice 4 more days until Easter. Oh my God! Oh my God! 4 more days until Easter. Wow, that is not very long. Hi, can you see me in the mirror? Mirror, mirror, mirror. Okay, that's enough talking. What can I do? Oh, I know. I'm taking you into my secret hut. My secret... Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, wait. Thanks. Guys, you're just going to have to stay there for a bit. Okay, it's pretty dark in here. Like, I'm just gonna. Okay, there we go. Put the light on. Everything is okay. Okay. Okay, look down here. Nothing great in sight. My hand. What can I do? What can I do under here? Never mind my secret hut. But I think I have the perfect idea. Let's see if we can play a game with you guys. Well, it's super dark in here. Oh, there we go. There's probably nothing we can play with you guys because we actually need a real person that is actually here with me. So what else could we do? I'll come back to you when I thought of something. I should probably read a comic to you guys. Just one comic. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys see the pictures as well. But I'm just gonna set you up. Where should I set you up? Yeah. Hey, there we go. Captain Underpants and the sensational saga of Sir Stinkfallet. Okay, I'm gonna hold it like this because I'm not a teacher. Okay, by Dave Pilkey, no one cares. Never mind. I'm just gonna steal you guys real quick. Because, obviously I can't read on the channel. Okay, so, what should I do? Hello? Hello? You? No? Oh no. Oh yes. Stay down. And wrap him up in a ball. So I'm going to take this, put your head down like that. You eat your arm. Get eaten by Mikey. Okay, I can't do this. Why are you always mean to me? Also, I felt something in here. What did I feel? What did I feel? Oh yeah, I know what to do. And it's not something that requires me not doing it. Where should I set you up? Over here. G'day, mate. Dolphin. You going to? Oh, come on, really? Does it have to do it now? You guys know because square animals. And beep, beep, beep. A Quixels 3D. Version of Quixels. Yeah! A crab. I built a crab. And I also built a dolphin. And I also built a bird. Yeah. And a sea turtle. And what's this bug? Is it a centipede? I don't know. A chicken. Dog. Colourful sheep because I didn't have enough for the regular sheep. Right here. Didn't have enough white. And a shark. And last but not least, a nothing. But here's the bird's word. Here is the bird's wing that came off, and then I couldn't find it, so I just built another one, and then I found it. Blah 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 blah. And those are my Animal Square Minecraft thingy Pixels 3D Animal 3D version. Okay, it's been 9 minutes. So what do we have here? Lani. we have a private meeting with you. What is your favourite food? I knew it. It's roll over. Yeah. Yeah, boy. What is that? What is that you speak of? Lani, McLaurin's. Nothing? Okay, I'm out of here. Nothing to speak of, so I am out of here. Lying together like normal buddies. Lani's going for a walk. How could you? Also, Lani Dookie. And also, it's swinging time. Da-da-da-da. 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 Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na. Wait a second. Remember at the beginning of the video, we were meant to be talking about nature? Oh. Actually, that's not working. Time machine, here we come. Hope this works. Should work by now. Probably. Hi, Lani. Okay. Where should I go next? Around here? Hello? Hello? Is it me you're looking for? Okay. This is probably one of the baddest time I have ever seen, because I don't even see him. I don't even see me. So, this is probably like way from the beginning of the video. Well, I'm gonna go. If you ever watched this show, Brandon's watching it right now. Hello. Yeah. You. Help me. Okay. That's what I do to nature when it behaves me like. Guess what? You know, I'm standing in here. I stood on one of the dirt and I thought it was poopy, so I went to wash my feet, but it was just dirt. I looked at it and it was way browner than I thought. I did not step in dookie. Okay. Thank you guys for so much for watching the video. Thank you. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't even be doing this right now. Now. Mikey spoke. I'm gonna steal his voice. You want to thanks, Lani? I'm gonna steal your voice. Ha. Stole your voice. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Subscribe, hit the like button, bell notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.